Hi guys, I'm Vignesh. Normally, if you look at the two different kind of a tool features called lofted boss and boundary boss, we basically use this to create a solid features by combining all three profiles or multiple profiles this works. But we don't know what is the exact profiles we need to select it from a lofted boss or a boundary boss in this area. Here we are going to take a comparisons of both the one which tool is used in which positions. Okay, first if you select the boundary boss and choose the three opposite profiles in different directions to create a solid body under these features. Look at the combinations of that. Basically, lofted boss switch from point to point itself. Here, the three different profiles are complete closed profiles by using of a circle and arc profile. It takes place in a proper positions and create a proper solid body. But if you use a boundary boss in these features also, it looks remains same. But what is the difference of this? What is the difference of using a lofted boss on boundary boss in this category of this area? Boundary boss basically creates a solid features, that is basically form a solid body by using of a curvy profiles. It is normally a three different closed profiles. Instead of that, at the center of its portions, I am going to replace a closed profiles into a curvy profile by using of a spline. Here we have a spline profile. Look at it. Now I am going to create a solid body by using of this lofted boss on boundary boss features. First I am going to prefer a lofted boss and selecting all three profiles in the directions. Once I selecting all three profiles, look at the combinations of that. If I want to either switch these positions, I can able to switch these positions. But the output is not remain same. If I change and switch the point from one location to another location to make a proper solid body under this lofted boss PHS, but it is not created a 100% perfect one. In this time, we straightly prefer a boundary boss because at the center of its portions, we draw some kind of a spline profiles, that is a closed one. If you are using a spline profiles or curvy profiles not having enough close points means, we can prefer a boundary boss to create a solid features. Look at it. In the direction 1, I prefer a three opposite profiles in three different positions. Also, I can switch the points from one location to another location in the boundaries itself. Once I switch to the another locations, I can able to make a solid body with the perfect tangential connection faces itself. Now, take a comparison of both the lofted features as well as a boundary features. In these portions, we straightly prefer a boundary boss to create this kind of solid portions because basically we use a different kind of a profile category to make a complex features itself. But depending on the profiles, only the features completely changes. So, prefer a boundary boss to create a solid features in a curvy type of profiles itself. Prefer a lofted boss in a closed profiles itself because then only it can able to create a complete closed body in a 100% without any interruptions. So check what are the exact tools you want to create a solid features under that. Okay, if you want to develop your skills in an advanced levels like learning a complex features and comparison with a lot of different examples means, you can straightly prefer our platform called www.kaliru.in. Here we have a Solidworks course, Autocad course and GD&D course in an advanced level related to a complex examples itself. So take a look on that to know more about Solidworks.